Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is very exciting for me because Ramadan is knocking at the door and I'm really excited for Ramadan this year. So today my project was to do a little mosque in our house so that we can all pray together in the month of Ramadan. Here I'm showing you how the room looked before doing anything to it. It was a total junk, and as I mentioned earlier, we recently moved into this house and things were just piling up in this room. And finally I told myself, okay, Ramadan is very close, and we should do something to this room. Our daughter is turning 3 this year and she understands a lot, alhamdulillah. And the main purpose of doing this room was to teach her the values of praying and the values of salah, reading Quran. And Ramadan is a great time to start doing it. And so here I'm taking everything out of the room and making a clear space so that I can execute my plans in there. Here, as you can see, I'm struggling to move the massage chair, and I soon realized, okay, this is not something for me. Yeah, and I just left it there. I spent $0 making this room because I just used whatever I had in my home. Here I'm mixing some darker blue paint with some golden mixing powder. And this is the annoying story now. I bought stencil from online a few days ago. I guess actually a few months ago. And it's the same story every time. I stored it somewhere to use it later when I need it, but I could never find things when I need them. So I had to go make a foam stencil. I don't know what you call it, but it's not doing the job. So I had to go find some plastic papers and cut the desired shape I want. I went for really simple design. You will see very soon, because yeah, it was really hard to cut the flower patterns and different patterns in such hard paper. So this was the shape I was going for, and it's really nice, alhamdulillah, because I feel like whenever you start doing anything saying Bismillah, there is so much barakah in it. And to be honest with you, I was because I couldn't find the stencil, so many things were going wrong. I didn't know what to do, and I was not planning it properly, I guess. But then I said, okay, let's do this because I have to do this anyhow before Ramadan. So you will see later things were coming back together one by one. I didn't have any plan for this, but seemed like everything worked out so well. And here I'm taking a golden tape, which I bought for a different project you will see very soon. So keep an eye for that. And I took this tape and I just taped it on 3 sides of the shape, and it kind of turned into a mosque shape. And I was surprised. I mean, how did it work like that? I was not planning for that. So this is the final look. I'm still doing it, and still the right side is left, and it looks so good, alhamdulillah. Here I'm just doing some calligraphy. I'm writing Allah's name. I might just change it later with some nice wall art of the Kaaba or Allah's name. I didn't have time to grab one from the store, and even the online orders, they're not gonna come here before Ramadan. So yeah. this is how it looks for now. I'm really happy with the results. It was the next day, and I had to stop last night because it was really late at night. And yeah, so today I'm just gonna do a quick cleanup of the room before going to decorating the room. I have to clean up the floors, the windows, because there was a lot of things in this room, and I have to properly sanitize it before I'm doing anything else. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking right now and let you enjoy the video.
Wow!
So this is the final look, you guys. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to start praying here. Let me know how do you feel. Comment below. How do you think the video turned out to be? And thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you all have a blessed month of Ramadan. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care and pray a lot.